vloggy, send the vlog, set up, jump the vlog. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today, we're gonna shoot some serious guns. And a bonus, we're gonna do it with the band Bobaflex. I believe the place is called Vance's Outdoors, and this is gonna be awesome. If it's not called that, then, well, I will correct myself when we get there, and I'll let you know what the hell the name of the business is. But for now, all you need to know is we're about to shoot some really cool stuff. Enjoy the vlog. Let's go, guys. All right, so I was right. It's called Vance Outdoors. Isn't that what I said before? I'm sure it is. We're in the gun range right now. Sean.
Bam, ready to rock.
Now, like, what are you really good with, man? Like machine gun? I mean, AK-47.
I'm good with the flesh gun.
That's the flesh gun.
Specialty.
All right, well, we're gonna use those on the targets. Jimmy, you're from Washington. I mean, do people in Washington State actually shoot guns out there? Or, I mean, you guys
no, just smoke weed and
listen to Nirvana. Marty, on a scale from 1 to 10, like, what kind of marksman are you?
Excuse me?
What kind of marksman are you? We have earplugs in, guys.
Oh, expert.
Expert marksman.
Absolutely.
Of course, man.
got my wife's gun.
It's the bug out bag.
Just got this from the banks fail.
Go take it. My favorite.
Wow. Where's your protective?
Maybe.
Come on, city boy.
It's good to know Bobaflex is apocalypse ready. Yeah, dude. Ew. Watch Loper and Randy's vlog! Vloggy, send the vlog, set up, jump the vlog.
Try to, yeah, for 75.
I had that to board.
I'm in his face, but forehead. Maybe shoot up a little bit.
So there you go, man. Shooting complete. Next Friday night at the Alrosa Villa on the 12th, Randy's birthday. Bobaflex is going to be live. And hey, playing some new stuff from the record. You guys can get it on iTunes. So thanks for going shooting with us.
Yeah.
Make sure you go to the concert, go to Vapor Station. That'd be a good place too. Subscribe to the vlog. Thanks a lot, guys.
You might see me. This is such a